Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification for more updates and news on our channel. And thanks for watching.
Hey guys, welcome to the final video of this course. I hope that the earlier videos were insightful and hopefully by now you have your first site up and running. In this final video, I'd just like to walk you through on how to scale up your business to generate 5 figures per month based on this system. However, before we dive into that, let's answer some frequently asked questions about this system that you might encounter. One of the frequently asked questions is, how long will my site take to get indexed? Generally, if you follow the pinging method and submit your website to the social bookmark networks that I showed you earlier in the video, it would generally take a few days up to a week or so for it to get indexed. How long will it take for my site to rank on page 1? Given that you have followed the keyword research method, analyze your competition the way that we have showed you in this course, then it will take between 2 to 4 weeks for your site to be ranking on page 1. What is Google Dance and Sandbox? Sometimes when you create these sites, you may see yourself ranking on page 1 and then suddenly you fall off the rankings like a stone. This is where a lot of people start to panic and they don't know what to do, but there is really nothing that you can do. It is just a procedure that happens and a lot of people call it the Google Dance and Google Sandbox. But don't worry, because over time you will get your rankings back. So while you are just waiting, I suggest that perhaps what you would want to do is start creating more backlinks onto your site. What should I do if my site is not showing on page 1? Same like what I have suggested for the Google Dance and Sandbox issue. You just need to be creating backlinks. Sometimes this could happen if you did not analyze your SEO competition correctly and therefore you are not slotted into the page 1. But again, as I've said, if you have followed the keyword market research and SEO competition exactly as we have demonstrated in this course, then you would be ranking on page 1 quite easily. But should you have created a site that is not showing on page 1, then all you really need to do is just create backlinks. There are various ways to create backlinks. To give you some ideas, you can do article spins. You can get hold of an article spinning software that will help you create hundreds of unique articles versions from your seed article. After that, submit these articles to multiple article directories. You can also do profile creation backlinks. This technique is where you create profile pages in websites that have relatively high page ranks. If you don't know where to get these links, I would suggest that you check out Angela's Backlinks because she provides a packet every month that gives you step-by-step print screens on where and how to set up these profile backlinks. She also provides up to 30 high PR websites to create these profile pages. These are just a couple of ideas for you to create backlinks. Alternatively, you can also add more content and post into your website, and this would help you climb up the search engine rankings as well. However, if that doesn't work, then the last resort is really to do the backlinking method that I have suggested earlier on. Moving on, let's talk about how we can make this system become a 5-figure a month system for you. To start, I'd like to share with you that each of these sites only take about 3 hours to put together once you get the hang of the system. All in 3 hours, from market research to keyword research, competition analysis, content writing, WordPress setting, plugins configuration, and also the indexation tool. It really only takes 3 hours as I've shown you in my videos. The good news is, each of this will make you an average of $200 per month, and that is the income you will be generating passively because this is pretty much a set and forget it system. Some sites may make you just $50 per month, but some good performing sites may make you $400 to $500 per month. So let's just take an average of $200 per month. Let's say if you can just build one of these per day, spending only 3 hours to build each one of these on a daily basis. By the end of 2 months, you will be having 60 sites. To crunch the numbers, given that you have built one site a day, after 2 months you will have 60 sites, and each of them making you $200 per month. That adds up to a total of $12,000 per month. After only 2 months and building only one a day by yourself, you will achieve your 5-figure per month business. It's a really simple system, and there are no magic tricks to it. At the end of the day, this is a piece of science that we have tested and it works. A lot of people are already making money with this system, and all you really need to do is follow along and take massive action. Do just one a day and you will be having a 5-figure a month business in no time. The final thing that I'd like to touch a little bit on is outsourcing. At the end of the day, we are business owners. As business entrepreneurs, you will want to think about how you can actually start to outsource and scale up your business in various ways. This way, you can be less hands-on and get people to do the work for you. However, my advice is that for the first few sites that you set up, just make sure you created them by yourself. This is so that you're absolutely familiar with the system. When you start making some income online from your first couple of sites, only then use the money to reinvest into your business and outsource. When you're absolutely familiar with the system, you will also be able to train others easily. With that said, always use portions of your profit and reinvest them back into your business and do massive outsourcing. If you're wondering where to find reliable outsources, I suggest you take a look at places like getafreelancer.com and elance.com. These sites have thousands of contractors that are eager to help you get the job done. All you need to do is post up your project requirements and budget, and people will start bidding on it within a day or two. The other option, if you're not comfortable with outsourcing online, is to try outsourcing to people within your area. I'm sure there are a lot of people out there who are ever ready to learn how to make money online. You could set up a traineeship program or even outsource to college students who want to make some extra income during their school breaks. These are really ideas to help you get the snowball rolling.